Lamb is even tastier than beef today. Just the hotel. The chef's secret recipe is shared with you. It's simple to make and you'll want to eat it again and again. The ingredients we chose for the dish we're making today are. The key point is to look carefully at the meat I've chosen today. Choose pork belly from the front leg if possible, as it's tender and has both fat and lean meat. Feeling good. But remember this when we make this dish today, absolutely do not wash it with water. Easily broken. Next we'll prepare some Sichuan peppercorn salt. First, we'll prepare a dry, oil-free pot. Today, I have 3 pounds of meat. We are prepared. I'm ready. It is gram of salt. Prepare some more Sichuan peppercorns, cinnamon, bay leaves, and star anise. We'll put them inside. Turn the heat down to low and saute slowly like this. Remember, don't let the heat get too high. I poured this out. The salt was burnt during cooking, and its aroma couldn't be extracted. But when we cooked this, for Sichuan peppercorn salt, we should try to choose coarse salt and sea salt, because its particles are relatively large. What kind of stir fry is easy to make and doesn't make the meat dry? Let's take a look at the extent. This was right when it was put into the pot. It's white, you see, it's slightly stir-fried now. It's turning yellowish, and at this point, the aroma has already started to develop from the stir-frying process. At this point, we turn off the fire. Hey, let's find a disc and put it all in. We let it cool naturally by setting it aside. Now that the Sichuan peppercorn salt has cooled, let's. It was poured into the meat. Pour it all in and use me. Our hands rubbed it repeatedly. Squeeze the meat and rub it in with this salt. Hey, just now I'm telling you all, you don't need to wash this meat with water. I believe you all know how to do it at home. I've also seen elders washing meat with water when they're curing it. The cured meat doesn't keep long. Meat marinated this way takes time to cure. It's longer and the texture is more like the ground meat I make. I'll rub this Sichuan peppercorn salt on them all and then prepare a plastic wrap. Just like this. It was sealed because it's summer now. In winter and summer, when the weather is hot, if you leave it outside, it will be easily damaged. Look at winter. Oh my god, it's okay to leave it outside. Okay, after sealing it up, oh dear. I put it in the refrigerator. Let's marinate it overnight, and tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. A whole night has passed. Let's take a look. How's the meat marinating going? Okay, everyone come and see. It has been marinated overnight. It's incredibly flavorful. Look, let's press it with our hands. Isn't it amazing? Tight. At this time, prepare a basin of clean water and then put the meat into the water. We give it the excess salt on top. Wash it clean. If it's not washed clean, it will be extremely salty when we cook it. See, I'm here every day, sharing simple and delicious home-style dishes. If you have a little bit of knowledge about your cooking skills, if you'd like to help, could you please give me a thumbs up? Give some encouragement and support. Thanks for your support. After we wash off the excess salt from the surface, look, I give it to them. Put it in this casserole dish. Put it all in. Then. Let's open. Let the fire boil first. Don't rush to put the lid on, let it simmer. After you release the water and boil it, come and take a look. Here, all the blood foam was released. It's out. We'll just use a spoon to drain it clean. A tiny bit, that's the source of umami. Look at this soup. If it's not clearer, then we can throw in some ginger slices. We'll put the lid on and now turn the heat down to low. Let it simmer here for 40 minutes. You should follow this method to make salt. Water buffalo meat is. It's incredibly delicious, and the meat cooked in it is exceptionally firm. It's time, let's open the lid together. How's it cooking? Wow, this smells so good. Sometimes when we find meat, we gently insert a chopstick into it like this. Hey, it goes in. This proves that the meat has been cooked. Okay, then I'll use chopsticks. I picked it out for him, but I remembered it. Don't stew it. If it takes too long, by the time we get to eat it, it'll be soft and fluffy like cotton wool. If that affects the taste, it won't taste good. Next, we prepare a bowl of wintermelon and pour it in. Put the lid back on and leave it here. Simmer for another 5 minutes, let it cool. Oh my! They scooped it up more. This individual film. Thickness doesn't matter, we'll arrange them neatly on the plate. Finally, sprinkle some cilantro on top to match the color. Just this salt water. If pork shoulder were scored out of 100, what score would you give it? I'd give this soup a score that's about right. Let's take a look. Wow, it smells so good. Before taking it out of the pan, let's sprinkle some adorable chopped green onions on top. We have 12 goji berries. Hey, give him some color. I'll continue. We have a bowl from last time. Wow, this dish is amazing. Let's eat it in big bites. Eat meat and drink soup in big gulps. Let's try it first. How about this piece of meat? It's a small one. Ordered. Add this seasoning. The meat is really fresh, fragrant, firm, and not dry at all. I'll have some soup first. It's incredibly fresh and delicious. I highly recommend you try it. Follow me and you won't have any cooking mishaps.